All right, so you're thinking about building your cedar fence and you're thinking that you should be using one of these posts. Not this time. You should be looking for one of these, the galvanized steel post, whereas this is just a 4x4 cedar post. The Postmaster post is an engineered product. The cedar post is a natural wood product. You can't control this cedar post. You can't control what it does. The minute that you put it in the ground, it's going to start to rot. It's going to start to decay, especially when you put it in concrete, which you're doing there. Water is channeling in between the concrete to the wood and soaking it, causing the rot to happen even faster. So life expectancy out of one of these, 10 to 15 years. This, the Postmaster Plus, comes with a limited lifetime warranty. The cedar post does not come with a limited lifetime warranty. Why? Because it's a natural product and you can't control it. I know what you're thinking. Ew, I don't want to see no stinking ugly steel post in my fence. Ugh. If you do it right, you don't see it at all. Okay, fine. Let me show you. Can't see the post, can you? Yeah, there's a Postmaster post in there. You can barely see the bottom of it. Let's see what the backside looks like. Can't see the post, can you? When a Postmaster post is installed properly, you should not be able to see it at all. Now, don't get the wrong impression. We love working with wood. We love building a nice, beautiful cedar fence. We just don't like putting wood in the ground. So 17 years ago, we installed a cedar fence and we used 4x4 posts. A couple weeks ago, 4 of those posts had rotted off finally, and we had to go dig them all up and replace them. You're not gonna have to do that with a Postmaster post, which saves you money and time. They don't warp, they don't twist, which is gonna leave your fence line 100% straight and true for years to come. What about all these things? So those are nice holes for your screws, and they also come with little tick marks. So every 6 inches, there's a mark. What they're trying to do is they're trying to make your life easier when you put up your fence, so that way your screws are already countersunk and you don't have to measure. You can just go off your little 6-inch increment marks. Not only can these be used for cedar fence, but they can also be used for corrugated steel fence. Now, if your soil conditions are right, sometimes you don't even have to dig. You can just pound the post. If you want to see how to pound a post, you want to see that in action, click here. This is Dan with SWI. We are Wyoming's fence company, and you have a good dang day.